In this video, we're going to go over how to add a product from the supplier catalogs, how to set up a product for the Rapid Product Creator, or RPC, and then how to sell a blank, as well as the bulk product upload. So to add a product to your account, you're going to go to Products, Add New Product from Supplier Catalog. Let me just open this in a new tab. Once you add a product from the supplier catalogs, it's then stored under Manage Products. So this is your global product area for your account. We'll select our supplier. Let's do Sanmar. And then you can select categories you want to filter to, or select a manufacturer, Gildan, Bill of Canvas, whatever you want. Or you can search a SKU here on the right that you're looking for. So let's grab the 5,000. There we go. So you'll probably get multiple products if you search a SKU like this. You can grab multiple here and then add them to your account by hitting apply here next to copy products to my catalog. That's the only action you have. We'll just grab the 5,000 here. Hit apply. Okay. Then we'll go to products, manage products to find that SKU that we've just added. Same kind of thing here, manufacturer filter, supplier, store, category, or you can search a SKU on the right. So we'll do 5,000. Here we go. So click on the SKU to open up the product, and there's a couple things you want to make sure are set up the way you want before you start decorating a product. So available sizes, you want to make sure these are in the correct order here. If they're ever out of order, you can click and drag these dots here to rearrange the order of the sizes. Store and category assignment. If you're decorating a product, you don't need to have it assigned to a store, which I'll show you here in a sec. But if you want to sell a blank, you'll then assign it to the store you want to sell the blank in, or have the customer interact with that blank in some way. And then your default blank purchase options here, this lets you control what options the customer has when interacting with a blank product specifically. So buy blank allows you to sell a blank as is, no decoration. Design online lets the customer go into the designer, upload art, add text, do whatever they want, check out, get a price calculated for them. And then design details form, this option is a lot more limited. Basically, if you just need an image file uploaded with no customization, you would use this. It just lets them upload an image and then choose the side it's supposed to be decorated on, and that's all they can do. They can leave some notes, but they can't customize the image from there. You'll want to make sure your printing capabilities are set up here. So digital print or screen print needs to be checked, otherwise it can't be decorated. So InkSoft needs to know how it's supposed to be decorated, as well as where it can be printed on. So the print regions need to be set up as well. So you've got your front, your back, your right and left sleeve here. For the front, we've got a full front, left chest, and a right chest. Just hit draw region here to see where that print region has been placed. It's always a good idea just to double check these and make sure that they've been placed in the correct spot. And then if not, you can then adjust them here. So we'll wait for this to load up. Here we go. You can click and drag here to rearrange or to adjust the size. You can click on it and drag it around to move the actual print region. So that looks pretty good. And then if you want to add a print region, just hit the plus sign here. Make sure you're doing it under the right side. So if you want to add something to the back, just hit the plus sign here. Type in the name. You'll choose a width here, and then you'll manually enter the height. The numbers here just control the dimensions of the design area. It's still up to you to size the print region correctly. And then colors and images, you want to make sure each color is active that you want to offer here. Okay, so we'll go to a store the 5,000 is not assigned to. We'll go to the 18-wheeler store here. All you do, just go to the store you want to decorate the product in, go to store admin, and click create new here. We'll search 5,000. We'll use this one here just for example. So once you select a product, you'll click add color to select all the colors you want to offer. See those here, and then upload your artwork here on the right. You can do embroidery files or print files, raster or vector. For this example, I'll use a vector file. Let's do this InkSoft logo SVG format. Once it's uploaded, just click it and it pops on the product, and you can see how that that artwork is going to look on each color here. So let's take a look, make sure everything is good. Let's find an example for colorways. Here we go, Carolina blue. So let's say we're not too happy with this blue splotch here and the blue shirt kind of blending in together. With vector artwork, you can then view colorways, create a new colorway, and then choose the color you want to change here, which is going to be this blue. Say we want to darken it up a bit just to get a bit more contrast, make it pop on the shirt. Hit done and then save. And now at this point, you've got these two different versions of the artwork. Just choose the garment color and then assign the colorway here on the right. If I go to the next color, we're still using the original art file, but I can also assign the new colorway to this one if I want to as well. Hit create product, and it takes you right back here so you can keep going. You can keep decorating as many as you want to. There's no limits here, so I can grab that same 5,000 SKU and upload new artwork to it if I want to. There's no limits. Once you're finished decorating, just hit next product details. And then you can adjust the name here, the default color, which is the first color that shows up on the storefront. And then it does add this extension here to the SKU, and that's just to make the product unique. We can't have two identical SKUs in the system, so anytime you decorate a SKU here, it's going to add this extension here so it can actually save the file. Enter a price. And then this little icon right here, override price per size. This allows you to apply your markups to your larger garments. You'll actually type in the price you're going to enter here or charge here. So we'll say 27 and 29. Hit done and then finish. Cool. And then for the bulk product upload, let's say there's a supplier we don't offer. You need to add their products to InkSoft. You don't want to do it one at a time. For that, we have the bulk product upload. So products, add new product, bulk product upload. Once you get here, you'll download this CSV template. I'll just show you what this looks like here. So web store, category, product name. It'll tell you which ones are required here. Product description, the SKUs required, manufacturer SKUs, size, weights. You'll fill out all this information. So for one SKU, for example, product name, let's say 5,000. Description, you could just paste this in from the supplier's site. 5,000, 5,000. And then you'll have to list each size on a different line. So you would just copy and paste this information here from these columns down until you have all the sizes accommodated, as well as all the colors. So you have to accommodate each color and each size on this CSV. And once you have all that filled out, you'll then upload this CSV right here. Just hit choose file, upload the CSV. There's a couple things that can go wrong with the bulk product upload. You have to get everything entered in perfectly. Thankfully, we do have this guide here on our help site, help.inksoft.com. Just search bulk product upload and it'll take you here. Most important part of this guide is the field validation sheet, which is right here. This lets you know the maximum supported characters for each column that's required. So the product name, max 256 characters, etc. So just stick to this guide right here, this field validation sheet, and then it should upload correctly. Also with the bulk product upload, you can upload the images along with the CSV. I personally recommend you use the zip folder. So, and all you have to do is just name the product accordingly to the correct size and color. So let me just show you here. Right here. So for the front, you'd enter the SKU underscore color name, and then any spaces in the color name, you'd hit another underscore side .png. So as long as you follow this file naming logic here, and then zip all those image files into a zip folder, it'll upload the bulk product upload and also import the images to the correct colors and sides from there.